Hello class, today's topic is reflection at curved surface. Now, what a reflecting curved surface look like? Like this. This is the reflecting surface and like this. This is the reflecting surface here. So we can find two type of curved surface. These are called spherical mirror. Now what is a spherical mirror? The definition of spherical mirror is it is a curved reflective surface having the shape of the portion of a sphere is known as a spherical reflecting surface or simply as spherical mirror. Here we can find that it is the portion of a sphere. Now where is the sphere here? We can draw a sphere like this. Now we can say that this curved surface or this spherical mirror is a part of a sphere, and like the above picture we can draw a sphere for this curved surface too. Okay. Now this curved surface is also a part of a sphere. Okay. Now a sphere is always have a center. We name it center C. Okay. Now here comes the second definition, that is center of curvature. This center C is the center of curvature. That means the center of the sphere of which the spherical mirror is a part of is known as center of curvature. The definition will be the center of the sphere of which the spherical mirror is a part is known as center of curvature of the mirror. Now what is radius of curvature? The radius of the sphere of which the spherical mirror is a part is called the radius of curvature. So, R can be radius of curvature. Here, R can be radius of curvature. We can draw it like this. Okay. Now, what is aperture? Here, if we name the mirror M dashed, M dashed. Now, the aperture is the straight line M dashed. Let's come to the definition. The perimeter of the spherical mirror is generally circular in shape. If we cut a sphere, we can find a spherical mirror. If we imagine that, we find that it looks like a ball and the perimeter is circular. Okay. The diameter M dashed of the circle is a measure of the aperture here. Okay. Now, what is pole? Here, P is the pole. We can see P is the middle point of the spherical mirror. The definition says that the center point of the spherical mirror is called the pole of the mirror. This is the center point of the spherical mirror. That is named as pole. Now, what is principal axis? Here, the line passes through the center of curvature and the pole is known as the principal axis. From the picture, we can see that this line X dash is passing through the point center of curvature C and the pole P. In the second picture, we can draw it like this. It's a straight line. Okay. So the definition of principal axis says the straight line x dash passing through the pole and the center of curvature of the spherical mirror is called the principal axis of the mirror. What is principal section? The section MPM dashed of the spherical mirror by a plane passing through its principal is known as the principal section of the mirror. Here we can see the two types of mirror. What are they? This is known as concave mirror. Concave mirror. In case of concave mirror, the reflecting part is that this is the reflecting part and the center of curvature in the same side of the reflecting part, and this is known as convex mirror. Now here the reflecting part is that this is the reflecting part. Light will fall on this surface and reflect back. Okay. And the center of curvature is on the opposite direction of the reflecting surface. What will be the definition of concave mirror and convex mirror? A mirror is called concave or convex according as the center of curvature of the mirror lies on the same side or not of the reflecting surface of the mirror. Same side or not of the same side. Okay. Let's come to the principal focus. Let's draw concave mirror first. Now, M dash is a concave mirror, P is the pole, and X dash is the principal axis. Okay, if a parallel beam of light that is also parallel with the principal axis fall on the surface of the mirror, that is like this. After performing reflection, then it will meet at a point on the principal axis like this. Let's name the point as point F. This is known as principal focus. This is the reflecting surface. M dash is the mirror. This is the principal axis, X dash. P is the pole here. Now, parallel beam of light comes here, like this. Okay. Now, it will reflect back like this. You have to make this kind of sign in case of light ray. Okay. Now, in case of convex mirror, it will appear to diverge from a point like The point is named as F. This is also known as principal focus. Now, what is the definition of principal focus? When a beam of ray parallel to the principal axis is incident on a spherical mirror of very small aperture, it is seen that the reflected ray either converges to a point or appears to diverge from a fixed point F on the principal axis. The point is called principal focus of the mirror. F is on the principal axis. Okay. F is on a principal axis. This is principal focus and this is also principal focus. Okay. Now what is focal length? The distance between principal focus and the pole of the mirror. Okay. In this part, distance between principal focus and the pole of the mirror. That is, this is the focal length. Fp is the focal length. Now, what is the definition? The definition is the distance of the principal focus from the pole of the mirror is known as the focal length of the mirror. There are some characteristics of focus that are the rays parallel to the principal axis after reflection by spherical mirror either converge to a point or appear to diverge from a point. Converge to a point, parallel beam of ray, converge to a point or appear to diverge from a point. Okay. Now, focus is the image point. How? When there is a object at infinite distance from the mirror, then the parallel beam of light comes from the object and falls on the mirror and reflect back to a point F or appears to diverge from a point F. That is the mirror, that is the image point. Okay. A real image form in case of concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. In that case, a real image will be formed at the point F. And in case of convex mirror, a virtual image will be formed. Okay. Now, by the principle of reversibility of light path, the light diverging from or directed to the principal focus after suffering reflection at the mirror become parallel to the principal axis. Okay. When a light ray will come from the point F and it will reflect at a surface of concave mirror, then the light ray will go back parallelly in this direction. In case of convex mirror, if the light ray fall on the concave mirror in this path, then the light ray will go back parallelly after reflection. Then what will happen? Then we can say that focus is the object point. Then we can say that focus is the object point. In that case, real object will be there in case of concave mirror and the virtual object will be there in case of convex mirror. Now let's come to the next point, focal plane. What is a focal plane? The plane in which focus exists. That means like this or like this. What is the definition? A plane passing through the principal focus and perpendicular to the principal axis of the spherical mirror is called the focal plane. Focal plane, we can know that focal plane is the perpendicular to the axis x dash and focus will be present on the focal plane, that is it passes through the focus.